Okay, so chain is moving. That means the battery must be dead on this one. I'll open it from the back and see how it's going to come out. Okay. So when removing the pin, take a closer look which way the pin should be forced out, because it's one way in and out. Otherwise, you're going to damage the pin. Okay, looks like. See, the pen is coming out. Okay, that should be enough. Let's pull it back. So it's going to go from the left side in. Okay, just needs to pull it out. There we go. Okay. So there's another piece came out. Oh, that's the bushing. Okay. In there. Okay, now to open the bezel. Okay, seems like I have sized it. Some people use a small ball or a suction cup, which is not a bad idea. Okay, this is removed now. Let's put these aside and see what is the size of the battery with my magnifying glass. So this is SR927W. SR927W. So I have ordered these batteries from Amazon, and this is the one, SR927W, which is equal to 395 and 399. So I'm going to take one battery out and replace it. Okay. Push it out. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not, but there is a small lock over here, this, that needs to be pushed back, and the battery is going to pop out once you push the lock out, this one over here. So I'll put it down. Yeah, this way it is more clear. I'll put it down on the cloth so that I don't lose the battery if it pops out hard. There we go. There we go. See? There it comes out. Put the old battery here. Take the new battery out. And then this, push it back and the lock over here first, and then push it down. It's better to use a non-metal screwdriver, which I don't have it right here, so we can use our hand just to push this one back. Here we go. So the battery's fixed. Let's see if it works. For sure. It's working now. See, the seconds arm is moving. So that one's working. Let's check the seal. Seal is okay. And everything is secured. Put this back. Twist it backward and then forward. There we go. Be careful if you feel it's a little tight. That means the threads are not seated well, and remove it again and try to do it. Unwind it till you hear the click. So that means the thread has matched and is seated well. Okay. Just a snug tight, and that is enough. Okay. The old battery side. Okay. So the bushing goes in first. There we go. Then let's push this lock back in there. And then the pin. Okay. Just to push a little bit further down so it locks. There we go. Set the time. Nope. Okay. And the time is 7. Six. The date is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The time is perfect. There we go. The watch is now working. Here we go, the chronograph. Stop. Then perfect. All right, let's close this one up. Give it a little clean. So, one down, few to go, but we'll get through. Thank you.